Quick Write with Ollie! Let's practice writing the letter Uppercase J. Hi there! Welcome to Quick Write with Ollie. I'm Ollie, and I'll be your writing guide. Today you will need a pencil and lined paper. Let's start by getting our page ready to write. On the left side of your page, make 3 quick write dots. One for the top line, one for the middle line, and one for the bottom line. These dots will help us stay neat and keep our writing the right size. All right, writers, let's jump right in and practice writing the uppercase J. Watch me write the first one. I start at the top line. I go straight down to the bottom line. When I get to the bottom line, I curve to the front of the letter and add a hook. I lift my pencil and go back to the top line. I make a straight line across. That's an uppercase J. Now, let's do 5 together. Ready? Write! Start at the top line. Go straight down to the bottom line. Curve to the front and add a hook. Lift your pencil. Go back to the top line. Make a straight line across. Nice job adding that hook at the bottom. Let's move on to the next one. Ready? Write! Start at the top line. Go straight down to the bottom line. Curve to the front and add a hook. Lift your pencil. Go back to the top line. Make a straight line across. That one looks neat and strong. All right, let's try the next one. Ready? Write! Start on the top line. Go straight down to the bottom line. Curve forward and add a nice hook. Lift your pencil and go to the top line. Go straight across. Great focus! Your lines look very smooth. Let's keep going. Ready? Write! Top line, down. Bottom line, hook. Top line, across. That one might be your best yet. One more to go. Ready? Write! Top line, down. Bottom line, hook. Top line, across. Excellent work! You finished strong. Look at your uppercase J's. Which one is your best? Circle the one you're most proud of. Great job today! You did some really careful writing. Remember, you can watch this video as many times as you want to keep getting better. Be sure to like and subscribe to the Hands-On Learning Lab. There, you'll be able to practice writing all your letters and numbers with me. Plus, find lots of other fun interactive videos. See you next time at the Hands-On Learning Lab.